Hey cousin, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back on your screen with a new hairstyle. I've installed some jumbo spring twists, and if you guys know me or if you've been watching, then you know that this type of hairstyle is my go-to protective style. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this super quick, easy, affordable, and versatile style, then definitely stay tuned. You have now tuned into another Jess4TV production. Hey guys, so jumping right into it, this is the hair that I will be using. It is spring twist hair in 1B and it is 10 inches. And some products that I will be using is the Murray's Cream Beeswax, as well as the Murray's Pure Beeswax. Also, I will be using African Pride's Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Super Hold Edge Control, as well as the Gold Series Intense Hydrating Oil by Pantene, some rubber bands, and also some hair hardware, a bunch of different clips, and also a rat tail comb for parting. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how I construct one twist. I'm taking 3 pieces from a bundle, putting that together, roughing it up, and stretching it out, and these 3 pieces will make up one jumbo twist. Because this is a protective style and we want to protect our hair, I'm going to be coating my rubber bands and hair hardware in that same oil by Pantene. Okay guys, so now getting into the style, I've already done more than half of my entire head. I did start off on freshly washed, deep conditioned, and blown out hair. So right here I'm just showing you my parting. It is not the best. The kid is not that good at parting, but I made do. So now I'm going to just tuck what I've done away, and I'm going to start on the left hand side by taking out that dookie braid that I had in. So now I'm taking my Pantene hydrating oil and just smoothing that throughout the entire section, making sure that each of my strands are coated so that my hair stays moisturized while in this protective style. And now I'm going to go in with this parting girl. I did the best that I could. I think it came out okay. Like, this looked okay to the kids, so this is what I went with. So now I'm going to part the individual sections for the individual twist. Tucking away the section that I'm not using, and I'm going to be taking the beeswax cream and adding that to my roots just to make sure that they lay flat and are slick. And then I'm going to be taking that beeswax and adding it to the length of my hair to ensure that it blends perfectly with the spring twist hair. Also just combing it out a bit just to make sure, you know, everything is seamless. Now I'm just going to take a brush and brush my roots. I'm going to split that section equally in half. And I'm going to be taking 3 pieces of the spring twist hair, putting them together to make one individual jumbo twist. I'm going to be stretching it out, roughing it up a bit, and I'm going to lay it directly on that part that I put in that individual section. And I'm going to be pulling my hair directly over top of that so that spring twist hair is in between the 2 sections of my hair, giving it a bit of a twist, and also adding a rubber band to secure it. So you guys, this is why we do not need that crochet needle. This allows you to control the tension of the rubber band, and it also just negates that scraping and scratching of your scalp from using a crochet needle. So I just split my hair into 2, kind of gave it a little tug to make sure that it was tight and secure to my scalp. And now I'm going to take each side of that spring twist hair, add it with my 2 strands of hair, and give it a good secure twist. Be twisting all the way down until I get to the ends, and once I do, I'm going to give that a little ravel around my finger to make sure the ends are secure, and that is your jumbo twist. Okay, so moving on to the next section. This section is the front of my head, and the only difference that I did around the front is that I used the edge control around the base of the individual twist instead of the cream wax, just because I wanted a more secure hold and I really wanted to lay my edges. So that is the only difference around the front of my head. be showing you guys how to make this style super versatile. You can wear your part anywhere you like by doing this. So I'm going to add my edge control since this is the front of my head, and instead of parting horizontally in that individual section, you're going to part vertically so that when you flip your hair or wherever you want your part, you cannot see that rubber band. By parting vertically instead of horizontally, it gives you that faux knotless, invisible braiding type look, like it's growing from your scalp per se. Thereafter, you just follow the same steps. Give your hair a bit of a tug, split it in two, add the two sections of the spring twist hair with your hair, and give it a firm twist. And as you can see here, no matter which way I flip it, you can not see that rubber band. Hello, versatility. Alright guys, so here I am showing you my last pack of hair. I used 12 packs of hair for this style. It was a lot of hair because I did use 3 pieces from the bundle for one twist, but oh well, I wanted jumbo. So now on to my last 2 individual twists. I did do these vertically instead of horizontally to make it more versatile because I wasn't sure how I wanted to wear it. And you guys, this is the completed look. I am so in love with this style. I think it came out super duper cute. It is absolutely not heavy at all. It is also super versatile. You can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can wear a middle part, you can wear a side swoop, whatever you want to do here, girlfriend. If you enjoyed this style, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Also, please make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss a single upload from me. Thank you guys so much for clicking to watch this video. I hope you like this style as much as I do, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.